The Smith machine flat bench press primarily targets the muscles in the chest, as well as the triceps and front deltoids on the shoulders. Since the barbell on the Smith machine moves in a locked-in, straight up and down path, it requires less activation of the stabilization muscles, thus making it easier to isolate the muscles in the chest. To get started, set the bench to flat and position it in the middle of the Smith machine so at the bottom of the lift, the barbell touches just above your sternum. Sit down with your back flat on the bench, then grip the barbell with a just outside shoulder width grip, feet planted firmly into the floor. Lift the bar up off the rack with a slight forward twist to move the safety hooks away from the safety bar. Before lowering the bar, squeeze your shoulder blades together and down to ensure the primary tension is placed on your chest, not your shoulders. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the bar by bending your elbows and pulling them down to your sides until the bar touches your chest. Exhale as you push your head and back into the bench and contract your chest to push the bar back up to the top of the lift. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.